Hi everyone, I am Manoj Khandelwal and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. In today's video, I'll be discussing with how to work with lists in Python. So let's start this amazing video. So firstly, I will discuss or I will define what is lists in Python. So what is list in Python? So a list is an ordered collection of mutable objects. So basically a list is a sequence of mutable objects. Mutable objects means the objects which can be modified. Now I will discuss what are the various characteristics. What are the characteristics of list in Python? So the first characteristic of a list is it is a sequence, it is an ordered collection. So ordered means while creating list in Python will maintain the order of insertion of elements. Second one is mutable. Mutable means changeable. Elements can be modified. Elements of a list can be modified. So it is an ordered, mutable, and we can contain, so a list can contain duplicate elements. So a list can store duplicate elements. So a list is ordered, a list is mutable, a list can contain duplicate elements. And the fourth characteristic is list is heterogeneous in nature. Heterogeneous means we can store values of different data types in a list. Means a list can store, one list can store all types of values like integers, like booleans, like tuples, and even we can store one list into another list. That is what is called as nested list. So heterogeneous. So these are various characteristics of a list in Python. So the four characteristics are: list is ordered, list is mutable, list can contain duplicate elements, and list is heterogeneous in nature. Now how do we create a list in Python? So basically there are two methods to create a list in Python. So there are two methods. The first one is using a square bracket symbol, and the second one is using list constructor. So basically using these two methods we can create lists in Python. So creating a list, so I'm creating a list with single element. So list with single element, say li is the name of the list and I'm enclosing a single element into it. Now I want to check whether it is a list object or not. So I'm printing the list and type of list. So you can see that it is a list.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number